Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Ford Mustang GT. This one is the performance package with the 10-speed automatic. And it's basically configured as people buy them. They want distinct looks while getting cheap performance. So this one has all the features you would ever want for performance while not costing a ton. $48,930, and the options this one include are the performance package, the 10-speed automatic, Magna Ride, and the active valved exhaust. That's it. Steel cloth seats. It's really nice. It's very refreshing to have a car spec'd like this, and it was custom ordered by one of the employees here at Quirk. What was I gonna say? Kona blue over ebony cloth seats. Of course, this is the 5.0. But all in all, it's really fantastic. And it's a performance bargain when you look at it, you know, especially in this 10-speed, what it's doing on the drag strip, on the track. It's really surprising me. I'll take a look at the trunk space. Not bad at all. Here's your front plate bracket. Once you're down in here, it's really impressive. There's your inflator kit. So I'll keep that down in there. And now we'll take a look at what makes this pony run, and that is the infamous 5.0 liter V8. That is yet. Oh yeah. I just want to keep that. That's a motor and a half. Look at that Kona blue shine. One of the biggest things is the valved exhaust. I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate that. Of course, you're not in person, you're not really gonna hear it, but this is quiet mode, normal, sport, and track. In person, you can tell the difference, especially for acceleration wise. When you're accelerating, you can 100% tell the difference in the exhaust modes. For this drive, we're gonna do it in track. You got your track apps, accelerometer. That's pretty cool. Your oil pressure and your vacuum. Essentially almost works like a boost gauge, but for a naturally aspirated motor. How you can turn on and off your stability control. In track mode, it defaults to off. So in normal mode, you can configure your steering. But let's do track mode. Sync 3 system. Works like a charm. You got apps, you can download apps. That's where you keep your manual. Mustang, 55 years. This pony has been alive since 1964. The first model year being a 65. Oh, come on. It's like, how do you work? Get in there. Back seats, functional. Oh, what am I talking about? You guys came here for a drive. So let's go for a drive. Gotta be nice and careful with these rocks. Don't want to puncture a tire. So once you're in quiet mode, so you heard what that sounded like in track. In quiet, it's very different. Of course, so let me put it into perspective. In its quiet mode, it sounds like the 5.0 F-150. In track mode, it sounds like a Mustang race car. Normal and sport are right in the middle, where normal mode sounds more like the F-150 but a bit louder, whereas sport sounds like a muffled race car. Sport is the biggest difference between all of them. From normal to sport is a huge difference. It says for track exhaust, that's track use only. But it's fun. Mainly because it breaks some local sound laws. Not by much though. Oh my goodness. Oh, the Mustang. It's been one of my favorite pony cars. And honestly, it's the best of both worlds. It has the sportiness of that Camaro, but the visibility and roominess of the Challenger. It is, the blend of the packages are phenomenal. Front end steering, it's actually not bad at all. It's very, very direct. A little bit of dead zone. Of course, you can configure steering feel once you're out of track mode. The 10-speed is just phenomenal. And if you just barely tap the accelerator as you're decelerating, you'll get some really, really nice pops and bangs. And they're real. They're not tuned in to do that. It's real exhaust backfires, and it's phenomenal. I don't really like ones that are tuned in. Sure, they sound cool, but they're not really that great for the car. I only waved because I knew them. like I found a good spot to end this video. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.